M12 multi-tool has plenty of power to cut through whatever you would need to cut.
The cutting speed is awesome. It's twice as fast. It cuts way better than the other multi-tools in the category.
The cutting speed is way faster than any other multi-tool I've used.
It feels faster, vibration is less, but you can tell the tool's a lot more aggressive.
It's very powerful. It's a small package with a powerful motor.
Less fatigue you put on yourself, you can actually put that back into the product that you're doing, and you will always have a little bit more efficient job.
I use it for drywall cutting. I use it for grout removal.
Finished nails, I've used it on rough nails, softwood, hardwood.
I like the tool for blade change. Just flip the lever, unscrew it probably a quarter of the way, and you can slide the blade out, put a new blade in, and you're back to cutting.
When you go to somewhere that's dark, having extra light to get in those precise corners helps you get a lot more precise. The tool allows you to do your job perfectly.
It does everything I need it to and keeps running. It is very well designed, and it definitely is heavy duty.